Reddit, how would you feel about a law that bans radio stations from playing commercials with honking beeping siren noises in them? I would feel like finally. Lawmakers taking the public's issues to heart. I agree, and any ad for auto service shop that plays squealing brakes or ominous engine sounds as well. Reddit, how do you feel about common Reddit opinion? The fact that this is 3 for top of this year astounds me. Also doorbells on commercials because my dogs. I want to ban Ask Reddit posts about shit everyone will agree with. You see this kind of question so often. Everyone already agrees with the post anyway, it contributes nothing and is blatant karma whoring. This is the most circle jerk post I've seen in a very long time. Reddit, do you think water is wet? Oh fuck off, I hate these posts. Yes, people want this. Get out of here. I'd be fine with it. Hell, I'd encourage the ban. I flinch whenever those commercials are played.